Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm trying to freaking figure out how to turn off this dang music. No, what do you call it? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get every single collectible in Monkey's place. So, let's go into it. So, we're going to... Let's go. I'm very rich, so I kind of got every single power. So we're gonna go from here to here, down to here, and then to here. So first, to get the tree house, we have to go on hyper map. So it's in one of these houses, but I forgot. Oh wait, no, it's in one of these trees. Yes, it's in that tree right there. Okay. Go here. Okay. Okay, jump! You always gotta just jump, because you're not gonna know where you gotta jump, so gotta jump right there. Ah, sorry guys. Ah. What? Okay. That's it. I'm just gonna go over here. Oh my god! Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. You just gotta come up here. Here. Right here. And it's gone. I think somebody kidnapped it. Wait, no. What happened to it? It used to be exactly right there. Hold on. Wait, no, it's more higher into the tree. Right here. So at the very top of this tree, and you can unlock the tree house. Now, let's go back down. Ooh, gaga. Okay, so let's see what our next one. Okay. So our next one is the P. The P is easy to find. Club. Unlock the P right here. Then for popcorn, you just come over here to this dark room.
Monkey's place.
Right here. Come down here. Boom.
There are so many maps to play. It's crazy, honestly. There's so much to do in this game.
Okay. Now those parkour badges we're gonna have to go to put the lobby in for. Okay, and more. Okay.
Oh my god!
My God.
Whoever's doing that, I'm gonna shove a banana up there.
Okay.
I'm not even joking. I'm gonna shove a banana up there.
To do the parkour easily here,
Who's
you can
moaning?
just come down here. Monkey
No,
around.
come here. No, I'm gonna shove a banana up to her.
Right here.
Get back in now.
I can quickly get in.
Get back in. I'm gonna shove him.
No, Blue, I can counter the screaming with my own. Hold on, cover your ears for a second. I'm gonna scream really,
Now
really
that you're right
loudly.
here, jump.
Oh, he's gonna
down.
scream. Do it. Alright. I broke my windows open, I shouldn't have done that.
I'm sorry.
You're right.
People are gonna think you're killed. I'm sorry.
Oh, shoot, he's challenging you to a duel. I challenge you to another
Sideways. Once you did the sideways thing, you just want to come down here, look backwards, and then start going.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Shut up, you moaning!
Okay. As you did that, you can just come right here.
Oh my god, sword!
And then just
I challenge.
jump. But if you don't got speed boost,
Man,
then you can just
I'm literally gonna put
walk on
frog
the
on my
jump.
side. I'm just gonna put a frog on my
You
side.
can just get it right there.
What am I doing now? I'm gonna shove my sword up their arse.
Okay. Now we just gotta restart our game because you get stuck down there. So let it load for a minute. Okay, no, but need it.
Oh really? Look what badge I have. Look
Okay.
what badge I
How
have.
did you get the hell? How did you get the hell?
I'm not showing you. Didn't you stab me?
Boom,
I'm
and
not showing
then
you.
you can.
You stabbed me. You stabbed me. You stabbed me. Leave me
What does
alone.
that? What does that do, mate?
Okay. Once you.
not
Oh, okay.
helping you.
Let's get this one.
Stabbed me.
Why?
Let's get this one, and then we can go down a horse section.
Skill issue. Find someone else to help you get help.
Okay.
Blue. Just hold into special maps.
Go over here, and then come down here. Oh wait.
Hey, does anybody know how to get help? Does anybody know how to get help? Yeah, I do. I know. Can you show me how to get it? I know it's
Sure.
in horror. When I flip back to normal, because at the moment a bit crazy right now. Come to Monkey Lab.
Okay.
I'm trying to.
So right here is the
Ow.
or I think he forgot to put like texture in it or something. But my girl type train game, when I release it, it's gonna have texture.
This way, mate.
Everything.
No, one way. This way. Then that way, all the way this way. We go this way. The monster's right there. Help me! I'm outside the map. I don't know how. I'm outside the map. Got killed. Outside the map. Guys, I'll help you. I'll help you get. I need help.
Come in there, can just.
I'll get you. I need the cosmetic help.
And
I need the cosmetic help. I'll get you it. But my monsters
there.
keep on getting me.
Got him unlocked. Okay. Go back there. Yeah.
Go up.
Now that you unlocked that, let's go.
Oh my god! I'm outside the map. I'm
Okay,
outside the
now
map.
that you got that, now we can go get all the horror items. We're right here.
No. What?
Okay, so the first one you can go to
I need to download
is right here.
Wait for 10 seconds. Wait for 10 seconds.
Come down here,
Get
run,
down.
go in this little roundabout.
Ah!
Oh, this little circle thing.
Get me then, jump scare me. Oh! I got killed, wait.
Guys, do you know how to get the badge
Little
help?
badge right there.
Yeah. I've got
Actually,
it.
no. Do you guys know how to get the ice shard?
Yeah, I've got it.
Can you come to shop?
I got every single unlockable. How do I get the hell?
Where are you guys?
Come
Okay.
to shop to the.
Now, if you want to
to
get this
the
knife,
unlockables.
then we gotta come
Yeah, can you help me get
over
it?
here. You just-
I've got
I
every
need
single
this.
unlockable.
I need
Yeah,
this.
come here.
I need wait. I need this. This.
No way. Okay.
Oh,
You just gotta.
and I have this. I need that, and then I need the rest of this. And
Okay.
let's go.
Level 2. This one's just called Run.
Do you have all of them in the ice map apart from this?
Because that's
And
literally
I
all
don't
you do
have
is
the
run.
frog. I don't have the frog too. I don't have that. I don't.
Do you have everything else here?
Yeah, I have everything else other than this. This, I have this. I have this, and then no. I don't have that one. I have this. Why do you have armor?
Once you're right here, gotta run right here, and then you unlock the knife like this, but you're just gonna die anyway. Because the thing gets you. Then
I
what do
already
we
have this one.
now? Wait, now what do we unlock next? It's chicken nugget.
No,
Okay.
that's the ice cube head.
Let's go get the chicken nugget.
Guys,
then-
don't knock
So that
me
chicken
off.
nugget you can find in next box.
It's here.
It's very easy
One
to
sec, one
get.
sec, where are you?
So next box
These kids are knocking me
is
off.
over here.
That one.
You gotta run.
How about the other
Come
one?
back down
On top.
here.
Right there.
And now I need the frog. Where are you?
Okay, let me show you.
What's the
Let me show you what you gotta do. So, you gotta. I forgot that they got no jump scare. It's still very scary that they're chasing me. Okay. Fall down. Go.
Come to this.
Okay. That's right here. Just gotta run exactly right here. Chicken nuggets right there.
Oh God.
Back up.
Sorry, I fell.
It's okay. Don't worry. I came back.
I'm coming back up. Back.
No. Where are you? I'll come straight
Where are
up.
you guys?
I'm just gonna do this massive long jump.
Up now,
are
up
you
now,
modding?
up now, up now.
No, I'm not modding. I don't know how to
Use
do
it.
that. Glitch.
The guy just died.
Jump right here.
Okay,
You have an
now we got
arm
that.
glitch?
Yes.
No,
Yes,
it's skeleton. It's
Wait, now.
skeleton.
Yeah, it makes them jump extra.
Okay. Now we're gonna unlock all these ones. Banana, crouch, marshmallow.
Hey, get out of my way,
So,
Black.
banana,
Guys, help me.
I know it's badass, okay?
this is how you get banana.
Jump here.
Okay,
Wait, where are
so
you?
come here.
sec.
Go
Oh,
to
you just made it.
name.
Oh, damn, bro.
You jump
Change
all
my
the way
name
on
to
top.
change your name to bananas, and then you can unlock
Crap, I
that.
fell.
Then
You guys help me.
now
Point where
you
else?
need the crouch, stick, and frog. I know where all
Okay,
those
I
are.
fell, bro. I fell. This is really hard.
Crouch, stick, and frog.
I know. You have the house.
Okay, you can get two right here.
You have the house.
You can get the marshmallow right now. Here, come underneath you.
I'm coming up, back up.
Right.
Do you have the house? You have the house one. You have the house
One sec, I'm coming. One sec. I'm going to the, what is
Boom.
it?
You can unlock crouch.
No,
Now let's
don't
go
jump
get
up there.
frog.
Jump onto this branch. Oops. jump onto that branch.
Do we go to that branch?
Yeah,
No?
just
I don't know which branch.
Oh no!
to go.
Oops. I'll go. Stay there, Green. Green, stay there. I'm gonna jump up.
He made me jump. Which branch do we go to?
Okay, right here is where you can unlock the frog. And then,
I need to
okay,
go.
now onto our last
Which branch do
ones,
we go to?
the ice one. Okay,
Oh, come on.
coffee, ice head, snowman, and
I want to get the freaking
Yeah, let's grow. Oh
You
my,
froggy.
not growing. I'm supposed to grow. Come here. Do I go
Okay.
the same damn way?
so if you come over here, just run across here real quick.
I'm right here.
Come
I
down
jump.
here, boom, you can unlock that.
Jump onto this branch and then jump.
Right
Oh
here.
no, wait. Oh no. Don't jump.
Run
Don't
up
go
here,
anywhere.
right down here.
What's
Ow.
Icicle.
The fuck?
Bro, you told me to jump over there, and I'm like, what are you?
Coffee
you
right
fell.
here.
I know.
Okay, and then
I'm
that's
just
all
a bit
done.
stupid.
So, hold on, wait.
We can kind of tell.
And then,
yeah, you can kind of tell.
but there's
I'm trying
still
to
more secret cosmetic.
Up here.
Where's the
Jump here.
Oh snap, I forgot about the snowman, sorry. And, wait, did I already get the coffee? I don't know. Okay. Yes. Go on. Jump through here.
Oh!
Right there.
He broke me up!
Now let's go. I'm gonna show you where the snowman is.
And then
You
right here. And
you big
there's a house there. There's a
big
house.
monkey.
The snowman
I don't
is
see you guys.
behind the
I
snowman.
don't see you. Where are
So,
you?
Jump up
that's
here.
gonna be all for today's video.
You
Thanks for
guys.
watching.
Y'all
Please hit
left
that
me
like
with
and
the milk.
subscribe button
Come
if you
in.
can.
Oh, I
and
see you. I see
Froggy's
you.
over there.
And
Wait,
I'm
no,
probably
wait,
gonna
I'm
put different
trying-
timelines of different cosmetics. So if you want me to, then I can.
It's a fake. It's a
Put
fake
it in the
ghost.
comments.
It's a fake ghost.
So
Wait,
thanks.
don't, don't.